In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Xero Verify QR code. This is an essential step if you're looking to enhance the security of your Xero account by setting up two-factor authentication. Having this extra layer of protection helps keep your financial data secure. Now let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to head over to the Xero login page. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL as you normally would to access Xero. Once there, enter your account credentials to log in. Once you've successfully logged in and are viewing your dashboard, take a look towards the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to access your account settings. This is where you can make all the necessary adjustments to manage your profile and security settings. After you've accessed the settings, locate the option labeled Account. Clicking on this will take you to a new screen that details various personal information aspects related to your account, including security settings. The next step is to set up two-factor authentication. You'll see a section specifically for this, so proceed by selecting the Set Up option. Remember, two-factor authentication greatly enhances your account security, so it's definitely worth the few minutes it takes to set up, ensuring you have complete peace of mind. Next, you'll need to choose the method for your two-factor authentication. In this case, we're going to use Xero Verify. When you click on Use Xero Verify, it will guide you through the steps. This uses an app on your mobile device to scan a QR code, which you'll receive shortly, providing you with a secure and dynamic code for your account access. Now, it's time for the actual scanning. On the screen, a QR code will be displayed. Use your Xero Verify app on your mobile device to scan this QR code. Make sure your camera is steady and focused on the code until it registers correctly. The app will then guide you through the next steps. After scanning the QR code successfully, it's crucial to click on Continue. This final step ensures that the setup is completed, switching on the two-factor authentication for your account. From this point onwards, each time you log in, you will receive a unique code through the Xero Verify app, adding a powerful layer of protection to your account login process. And that's all there is to it. Follow these steps to get your Xero Verify QR code and set up two-factor authentication. By taking the time to do this, you're ensuring that your account remains safe and secure. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tutorials on how to keep your digital life secure.